In this video, I will show how to create a bulk image resizer tool website in WordPress in Hostinger or any web hosting. You can create easily in just a few minutes. So firstly, access your Hostinger and click on File Manager. Now here click on Public HTML. Now click on WP Content Theme and find out which theme are you using. In my case, I am using Generate Press. Now here, now click on New File. Give the name for this file. Visit this website, so you will get some detail. Give name here php-bulk resize.php, then create. Now paste here the code and save it. Guys, if you need this code, so just pay the $1 by PayPal or any payment method like PhonePe, and if you give the $5, so I will give this code with lifetime update. So I will improve this site day by day, and all the code I will update. So just you pay the $5. Now once you save it, open new page. Give the page name like bulk image resize or resizer. And in the template, select this bulk image resize and in the focus key phrase type it. Now publish. Now view the page. Now choose your file. Open it. Give any your required pixel. Then just click on resize images. Now wait for a few seconds till this resizing process will be complete. Now download. So this is the way, guys, you can create bulk image resizer tool website. So guys, if you need this script, so comment or mail on contact for this website page. Only just $1, and if you pay the $5, so you will get the lifetime update. I will improve this script day by day. I will add some more options in this script. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.